My name is Alexandra. The course I'm studying is a higher national diploma in business studies. So far we've studied operations management, accounting principles and human resource management, to name a few. So all of our tutors are really good and really professional. So the course leader, Helene, she's really lovely. She comes from a sort of academic background. She, as well as being the course leader, she also runs quite a few of our modules, so we do get quite a lot of one-on-one time with her. My plans after the course, so I'd like to, after the sort of third year, potentially do a master's or do sort of a graduate scheme within sort of the business consulting region. Someone should study at University Centre Hastings, especially in business studies, due to the small class sizes, the ability of the tutors and the locality of the university centre.